a free tool to generate your custom animations. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi everyone, this is Omar Bafiki. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If not, welcome to this channel where I create game development tutorials, and from time to time I upload my short films. If you're interested in this kind of content, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. This video is an announcement, and I'm so excited to share with you, if you haven't heard yet, that Rokoko, the motion capture suit company, are releasing a new tool which is leveraging AI to generate mocap data from your videos. Basically, you can just film yourself doing combat moves or walking, running, or any sort of moves you want to add to your game or film, and upload these videos to their free platform, and it will generate animations from these videos. I know that Rokoko isn't the first to leverage AI to generate mocap data, but they've been working with motion capture suit for years, and the cool thing about it that it's free, and second of all, they have their own software to clean up the mocap data. So after you've done generating the free animation, you can still use their software to clean it up, improve it, and modify it. So this is really good, and I'm super excited about this new tool. Honestly, I haven't tried it yet, but I wish that it was released a few weeks earlier because I was working on my latest short film, the Minervans. I suggest that you go and watch it. I really hope that I could test it and experience with it in that short film, but hopefully soon I'll create more short films in leveraging the new tool. And I'm also excited about what you guys gonna create with this tool. So let me know in the comments what you think, and if you did anything, you can just share it with me on social media or in our Discord server. And I think, yeah, that's it. This is Omar Bafiki. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.